Hello, and welcome to Back to the Basic Solutions, the only channel where we teach you how to do things your grandparents instinctively knew how to do, but you somehow don't. Today's life-changing skill? Installing floodlights. Yes, lights. On the outside of your house. Because apparently, flipping a switch is no longer intuitive unless it comes with Wi-Fi and a notification to your smartwatch. But don't worry, we'll walk you through it by not walking you through it. There will be no talking, no dramatic background music, and definitely no 20-minute monologue about how this reminds us of our childhood. Just a human doing a thing competently. So sit back, try not to blink too hard, and prepare to learn a basic task in glorious silence. And hey, if you enjoy watching people do the things you probably should have Googled 5 years ago, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more painfully obvious content, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Or if you'd just like to be reassured you're not the only one learning this for the first time. Let's get basic.